Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. If you like making money, if you like investing in the undervalued assets like commodities, this channel's for you. Click subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for this content and leave questions and comments below in the comments section. I like reading your comments. So today we're going to go over gold and silver. I'm going to call it the setup because I like the setup that we're in right now. It looks like some of these companies are leading to the upside. We're seeing bullish engulfings. I'm going to get into that and show you what exactly a bullish engulfing means, what a bullish piercing means, and what kind of patterns we're looking for. So I call this the setup. It's a gold and silver that we're going over. Look at that. We got a new background here just for the heck of it. So I think we're looking great. We're looking for bullish engulfing patterns that are showing up. I love this signal. We're seeing higher lows and we're seeing downtrend breaks. And that's exactly what we're looking for short-term bottoms and potentially even kind of a long-term bottom. So first I'm going to go into some financial education here. Again, this isn't financial advice, but more of education. This is what a piercing pattern looks like. This is called a bullish piercing pattern, where you've got, this is the opening price and the closing price on this candlestick. We probably came up in the morning. Let's say it came down and then closed throughout the day here. The next day it gapped down from this close here. It gapped down and opened here. Let's say it ran lower and reversed throughout the day all the way up, came up and then ended the day right here. This candlestick right here is called a bullish piercing. And what this does is it goes below the opening of the day before and worked its way up past the 50 percentile of this candlestick here. So if this is halfway, it worked its way above the halfway. That is what a bullish piercing candlestick looks like, and it's a bullish reversal pattern from a downtrend into an uptrend for a short-term trend. These are the candlestick patterns that I look for. We've got the bullish engulfing, the bearish engulfing, which is the down day engulfs the up day before it, a harame. We've got a dark cloud cover, which means this down day goes above and covers the top of the day before, which was an up day, so it's a sharp reversal down. And this is a rising sun. These are also called bearish and bullish piercings. So one's rising sun, one's dark cloud cover, or bullish bearish piercing. So I'm going to look into the bullish engulfing. And what this is we've got a bearish candle here. This is the open price and the closing price of the day before. This day here, we've got a opening price that gapped a little bit lower and worked its way all the way up and closed up here. This engulfs the entire candlestick before it, the body of it. So this body engulfs this body completely. It's within this body. This is a bullish reversal candlestick. That means that we're coming from a downtrend into an uptrend. Or you could say it's a very small little downtrend, and then this guy is another bullish candlestick saying we're going to move to the upside. So you typically find it in a formation that maybe looks like this. You're coming down, and notice how these big down days all throughout here. And then we get a contraction, a big bullish engulfing candlestick, and then we reverse to the upside. So that's what we're looking for. First, I'm going to touch on the US 10-year Treasury up 6%. This is typically, it's not too good to have this large movement in yields and having that large movement be good for gold and silver. So we want to see how gold and silver is holding up with this large Treasury yield, kind of 6% up day. And just to show you that bullish engulfing candlestick, we've got a bullish piercing here. This up day right there is a bullish piercing. This one's a bullish engulfing right there. So you could tell that this thing was going to slow down and turn. And then you can see the big up days and the small pullbacks. Bullish engulfing, coming down, almost a bullish engulfing there, bullish engulfing here, and so forth. So that's what we're looking for. And this is 20 plus year treasury bonds. This thing's going down, 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 down. I don't know why anybody would want bonds, but looks like that. A lot of people are selling bonds. Now here's GDX. And what do we have here? This is a bullish engulfing. This big candlestick, it opened way down and worked its way all the way back up. It's the momentum's to the upside for GDX. This is looking fantastic. This is aligning itself to make a run at this downtrend. So that's good. SILJ, same move. Look at, we got a bullish engulfing of the one before it, looking pretty good to move up. We pushed the market pushed this thing lower in the beginning of the day, and it worked its way throughout the day up with the momentum ending to the upside. So that looks fantastic for SILJ. Again, Newmont Corporation, same pattern, bullish engulfing. Again, Sandstorm. We've got this downtrend line here coming through. It broke that downtrend line, and now we got a bullish engulfing setup, which means it's going to want to go to the upside. I think Sandstorm's a great one to add to a portfolio. Royal Gold, same thing. We've got this kind of low point with the wick on the bottom. Came up, came back, higher low than this, and then we got a bullish engulfing formation. Going to go up, I think. Got a downtrend line break too. I think it looks fantastic. Wheat and precious metals, same thing. Bullish engulfing. We're throwing them everywhere, guys. Getting more bullish. Discovery Metals, this is what this one looks like. Not too bad. It's not a bullish engulf or anything, but up days, down day with momentum ending to the upside. So this looks pretty good. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. The lows are moving up and the highs are moving up. So it looks fantastic. Free Gold Ventures looks absolutely fantastic. We got this V, came up, pulled back, higher low, and now we're putting in the work up top here. Draw kind of the resistance line right through here, and it's breaking to the upside. So that looks fantastic. Free Gold Ventures looks good if you want a gold exploration company. Metallic Minerals, another exploration company. Higher lows, walking up, walking up, walking up. It's looking okay, looks pretty good. Endeavor Silver putting in the bullish engulfing. So these are all looking really good. We still have all these uptrend lines are all still intact. So it looks great. And First Majestic, still looking great. Bullish engulfing. Gonna probably move on up. Higher lows every time. So these all look fantastic, guys. There's nothing broken here. So gold and silver, I mean, some of these I'd be a buyer here. I'd be looking to add to either the stack or add to the company's portfolios, because these look very enticing for me to enter. I like the bullish engulfing patterns. We're seeing bullish engulfing patterns, and I like bullish engulfing patterns. So I think doesn't mean that the next day or two is necessarily going to be up days. What it means is that the buyers are in control. We want to see small little down days if we have down days with more upside big candlesticks is what we're looking for. Thanks for listening, guys. Appreciate your time. This is Finding Value.